everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. So if you're on the Google Chrome, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the whole list of previously opened websites, and of course you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if your list is so wide and it will take too much time to do it manually, I highly recommend to tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.